learn Islamic education, not only general education, but also the must Islamic education. So you are the lucky and you are the most sincere guardian to choose in this institute. This is the very important part. This day is very important, our student, our institution, because you chose the first class and first school in this and first result declaration day. So very important part. So all the guardian, we request sometime wait, you will give the result card. So you will discuss top position of marks, highest mark, then you will wrong these marks, will advise these students. So welcome and congratulations to this program. I will say that Napoleon Bonaparte said, you will give a sincere guardian, I will give a educated nation. So you are the most important sincere guardian. I will like to better understand in fused to Bengali. আমি আপনাদেরকে অসংখ্য ধন্যবাদ জ্ঞাপন করছি আজকের এই